Hello students, I Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English. Let us start. Our topic for today is Technology Mobile Phone. Week 14, Day 1 to 5. Now children, my mobile phone. Children, as you all know, mobile is very necessary for each and everyone's life. And nowadays it has got importance in your life also. Your studies are going on because of the mobile phone. Your online classes, your homework, all the things. Yes or no children? So the mobile phone is essential part of our life. We can get call, SMS, we can transfer money. So many things we can do with the help of mobile phone. So today we'll learn about the technology, how the technology is useful for man. Let's read the story. A mobile phone. First of all, children, look at the picture carefully and think, what is there in this story? Who all are there in the story? You can see and think. Children, here is a story of a mother and her daughter. So, mother and daughter are sitting in their house and they are talking to each other. Let's see the story. I won a prize. What did you win? A new mobile phone for me. A red mobile phone for you. Just let us dial to call. Now children, here is a conversation between a mother and a daughter. Daughter is telling to her mother she got or she won. Won means she has participated in some of the activity and she got the prize. As a prize she got the mobile phone and it is having red color. So she is very happy to share this news with her mother and she is explaining to her mother that she got a red mobile phone and she is very happy. So mother says to the daughter, now let's dial to call. Dial to call means you can take the mobile phone and with the help of mobile phone you can call to anyone. Yes or no children? You also, if you want to contact or if you want to call, then you press the numbers. Yes or no? So that is called the dial. So dialing the numbers and then you can call to anybody. So children, this is a story of a girl and a mother, a mobile phone. Now let's see the next. Say the name and the sound of the letter. Now children, here we will see the letter and their sounds also. First letter is letter D, then the letter W, then the letter J. Children, these all are the small letters D, W, J. Let's see the sound of that letters. First letter, letter D, is a small letter. It sounds D, 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 D. the doll, the doll, the doll. The next letter is letter W. It sounds w, 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 wall, wall. The next letter J. It sounds j, 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 joker, joker, joker. Now like this way children, these are the sounds and their letters and their sounds. Let's see some of the pictures which are familiar for you. The dog, the dog, the dog, duck, duck, duck. D for dog, duck. Now let's see. It starts with the letter W and it sounds V, N, O. Window, window, window. Wall, 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 wall. So letter W, window and wall. See the next one, letter J. You can see the picture of J, A, R, jar, jar, jar. Joker, joker. Joker. Say the sounds and read the words. Now children, we will see the words and their sounds. First word is W-E-T. So that is wet, 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 wet. Next is D-I-G. Dig, 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 dig. The next is J-A-B. Jab, jab, jab. The next word is dug. D-U-G. Dug, dug, dug. Now let's see children. Here are the common words which we have used. First word is Y-O-U. Second, P-R-I-Z-E. Prize. Next is third word me. M-E. Me. Now let's see the next letters and their sounds. First letter is letter K and next is letter Y. Okay. So letter K sounds K, 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 K. Letter Y sounds yo, 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 yo. Letter K, you can see kite, kite. Letter K sounds k, kite, k, kite. Y, yo, yak. Y, ye, yo, yak. So, letter K and Y. Now, let's see the next one. Let's read the words and their sounds. First word is K-I-D. That is kid. kid, kid, kid. Next is K-I-M, Kim, Kim, Kim. Next is Y-E-S, yes, yes, yes. Next is Y-A-P, yap, yap, yap. Now children, let us read the story. The story's title is Ring. Now children, look at the picture carefully. There is one boy and girl. So, let's see the story. Ring, ring, ring. What can ring? Next one. Yes, yes, yes. A mobile phone can ring. Can you get the mobile phone? Ring, ring, ring. I cannot find the mobile phone. Where do you keep the mobile phone? Now children, here the girl and the boy in this picture are searching the mobile phone. Children, it happens with you also sometimes. You keep your mobile phone on low volume or on silent mode, and then when it's ringing, you don't know because the sound is less. So you start searching. So these two boys and girls also searching the mobile phone, and they are not getting the mobile phone. So they all are saying, let's ring the phone, let's call. Then when you get a call, you will come to know where is the mobile phone. So this is the story. The next part, a mobile phone. Now finally children, they got the mobile phone on the table. On the table, you can see in the picture, they got the mobile phone on the table. Let's see the new words which we have come across in the lesson. First one, K-E-E-P, kip. K-E-E-P, kip. Second one, Y-O-U, Y-O-U. Next one, R-I-N-G, ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Fourth one, W-O-N, won, W-O-N, won. Next one, D-I-A-L, dial, D-I-A-L, dial. And last one, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile, P-H-O-N-E, phone, mobile phone. So children, these are the words which are new words for you. The next new words, their meanings and the sentences. First word, keep. Children, the meaning of word keep is to stay in particular state, place or condition. Now you can see the picture carefully. The boy is keeping his books in the bag. Yes or no? So, we can frame the sentence, I always keep my diary in my bag. So children, the meaning of keep, you can see and understand from here. Children, let's see the second word. Second word is ring. Its meaning is to telephone somebody. In this lesson, the meaning of ring is to telephone somebody. Children, ring has a different meanings. But here, as the lesson is concerned, we are seeing the meaning to telephone somebody. The sentence is, the ring of the phone woke me up. Children, let's see the next word. The next word is one. What do you mean by one? To get a prize as a result of success. And the sentence is, I won the running race. Let us see the activity. Fill in the blanks with correct letters. Now children, here are some of the words which are given in the form of blanks. You have to put the correct letter and complete the word. First one is R-I-N-G, that is ring. Second one, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Third one, G-E-T, get. Fourth one, W-I-N, win. And last one, P-R-I-Z-E, prize. The next one, children. Yes, this is your homework time. Let's do the homework. First one, make word from the letter box and write the words in your notebook. Now children, as you all can see, here are the letters. With the help of these letters, you can frame the smaller words, 2-letter or 3-letter words, and you can write them in your notebook. The letters are letter S, letter T, letter L, letter A, letter I, letter M, letter B, letter E, letter I. So children, I have done here for you answers. So first one, aim. Second, sit. Met. Sam. Tam. And last one, lamb. So children, like this way you can frame many words. Thank you. I hope so you all have understood the lesson.